Okay, so hello everyone. Today we're going to make an unboxing video. Inside this package are supposed to be 4 items, all from Makita: an angle grinder, a drill, a planer, and a circular saw. My friend bought this from Lazada Mall. I do believe he paid for 15,800 all in all, inclusive of shipping. So he requested if I can do this unboxing for him because apparently he values my opinion and wants to know if whether or not he's got a legit item. So I would like to thank my friend for that, for his trust on this matter. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay. Makita. Okay, so we've got an angle grinder, we've got the planer, and we've got the Makita hammer drill, and last but not least, the circular saw 5806B. Okay, so let's take a look at each one by one. Okay, so now let us take a look at this Makita hammer drill, 16mm 5/8 model HP1640KX3. Okay. Hold on, let's first take a closer look at the box itself. Actually, that's a very nice box. As you have seen, you have something here wherein you can put a padlock. Okay. Again, this is not mine. Okay, this belongs to my friend. Give you a much more closer look at the box. Got the model here, HP1640KX3. That's a very nice box. Let's open this up. And we've got a warranty card. And a manual. You've got a depth adjustment. Let's take this out. Let's first weigh this thing, okay? See how much it weighs. It weighs about 2.1 kilos. 2 kilos. We've got the wrench for the chuck here. Okay? And I just want to point out I don't know what you call this exactly, but this is a depth rod. This is made of steel, not plastic. And that's nice. So the way you adjust this is by tightening it here, and also that will tighten the handle on the drill itself. Okay, now you cannot move that. Undo this, you can move that, lock it down. And also I would like to point out, you can also do something like that, okay, depending upon your needs or your comfortability. Let's take this out. Let me first show you what's inside the box. Got a couple of bits here, as well as here as well. Okay, concrete. This is for steel and this is for wood. Let's try that. Let's take a closer look. The screw bits itself actually look very good. Let's conduct a file test. Let's see if this is really hardened steel. And it is. Very nice. So that's a well-made screw bit. Also, we've got a countersink here, okay? Magnetic holder for the bits. That's all. Very nice box. Very nice, sturdy box, I would dare say. Really nice. That's actually nice. Let's measure the length of the cord. So cord length is about 1 meter and let's hold that there, about 2 meters. Okay, so I'll show you a closer look of the hammer drill itself. Here it says made in Romania. Makita Corporation, Anjo, Aichi, Japan, made in Romania, model HP1640. Okay, 680 watts, 50-60 hertz, 220 to 240 volts. Okay, very nice. Rubber feels good. You've got the trigger here, trigger lock, and this for your forward and reverse, and this for drill, and this for hammer. Let me plug this in. By the way, I would just like to make mention, this plug comes with this, so I need to find a adapter. Okay, already plugged it in. Now this is actually very nice. I like this. It's got a variable speed trigger. I'll show you, okay? I'm surprised with this one. This is nice. See? You can control the speed just by pressing the trigger. I'll show you comparison, okay? In a while. That's nice. Let's put it in reverse. Same thing. It's got a variable speed trigger. I like that. Okay. Now let's put this to the test. I've got a 7mm drill bit here. Okay, for steel. Let's lock that down. Okay. Okay, so let's try to drill through this 5mm thick steel. Okay, figure is actually very nice. I like that. Let's put it on drill. Okay. See, you can really control the speed. That's nice. And I might just add, when it comes to drilling through steel, speed is very important. Actually, this drill bit is dull. Hold on, let me replace drill bits. Okay, so this is a much bigger drill bit, 8mm. Okay, see? Let's try one more. Very nice. I like this. That's actually very nice. Now I'll show you a comparison, okay? Okay, so let me show you a comparison, okay? This is my Makita hammer drill. Bought back in, I would say, 2009. Also HP1630, 710 watts. And this only has 2 speed, okay? See? And that's it. Low speed and high speed. This has already taken some abuse. Even the bearings is already loose, but mainly I only just use this for brushing. Okay, put a steel brush on here or drill through concrete. Now I'll show you comparison with the trigger. See, very nice, very sensitive trigger. See, speed increases, and that is actually nice. I like this. I like this one. I'm thinking of purchasing one for myself. The reason I shifted to using this is because it's got a variable speed trigger as well as a gear shift, as opposed to this. See, only low speed and high speed. This one, variable speed trigger. Very nice. So I guess now let's try to hammer drill to concrete. Let's put it through hammer drill function. See, this solid concrete, by the way. Okay, so very nice, very powerful. Very nice. See, I'm actually quite happy with this, especially with the variable speed trigger function. Really am happy and impressed with this. The only maybe comment that I would say is this. I'll show you the difference. So this is my old hammer drill. I'll remove the trigger, and you see these recesses. See, supposed to lock on this tooth. That way you can do this this way, or any position you want. And once you lock that down, hold on, once you lock that down, the tooth is going to lock itself on that recess, preventing you from turning the handle. As opposed to this one, there are recesses on this handle, but there's no locking tooth on here. See, but that's the only comment I might say that I have with this one. But all in all, I'm gonna say that I'm really happy with this one. I even wish that I bought one for myself as well. Let's put a side-by-side comparison of the handle. Same size, okay? Let's try to put that here. And yes, you can use this handle here. How about here as well? The chuck is bigger. Let's see. And you can also use that here. Same for the depth rod. So let's try this socket, 10 mm. Let's put it here. Tighten the chuck down. One more. Okay, so let's try to tighten this bolt down. Actually, I'm mistaken. This is 12 mm. Hold on. Okay, so take two, 12 mm. See? Very nice. Okay. I overdid that. Let's try to undo that. Okay. That's nice. There's no torque adjustment, but this is actually nice. Okay, so let's do that again. Okay. Okay, let's do one more test. I'm using the bit, and let's try to screw this in, okay? Hold on. Forward. My mistake. It was on the hammer function even before, so that's why it's creating that sound. Let's put that in reverse. Try again. Let's do that here. Oh, that's actually very hot. Let me get another screw. Reverse. Let me try try to undo this one, and it still did. Very hot, very nice. So you see, we can see that the bit is actually well made. As you have seen earlier, it was actually skipping on the screw, but it did not chipped off. So this is a well made bit, screw bit. So I would say that the only comment that I have for this drill is that, like I've shown earlier, there are no tooth to lock the handle in place like this one, and the forward and reverse function, because although maybe it just needs a little getting used to, not used to this as opposed to this one. See, the forward and reverse function is here, but the bearing on here already sounds like crap, but it still works, so I have no issues with that. Okay, so I think it's time to wrap this video up. I think most probably the question that most of you would want to ask is this item original or fake? Now, again, I'm not saying that I'm a professional or a expert, but as far as I'm concerned, from the looks of it all, how it performs, the finish, overall finish, the feel, the rubber here, the box itself, okay, I see no indication that would lead me to believe that this is a fake item. As far as I'm concerned, this is original. Okay, so my friend bought this at Lazada Mall for 4,791 pesos, I think. Okay, now, like in all of my unboxing videos, I would just like to say this is not a sponsored video. Okay, we are not advertising for Makita nor Lazada Mall for that matter. This item was bought by my friend with his own money. This is purely an unboxing, unbiased video. Okay, we're not affiliated with this or Lazada Mall for that matter. So anyway, that's it. I hope you like this video. If you do, like, share, subscribe if you want to. Perhaps leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. So again, thank you for watching.